Today we discuss on the topic of waves and sound. In this topic we have discussed first about the waves and what is the definition of the waves and what is the type of the waves and what is the characteristic of the waves and then properties, then what is meant by oscillation, frequency, period and amplitude, and then what is the simple harmonic motion, and then at last periodic motion. Now we have to see what is the definition of the waves. Here a wave can be defined as the energy transferred through a medium with regular vibration or oscillating motion. What it means, here we have to be considered the two mediums, medium 1 and this is the medium 2. In this, what happens if there is some of the disturbance occurs, some of the disturbance will be occurs in a medium that will be passes to the another medium. That is what we have to be simply called as the waves. There is a disturbance occurring in a medium that will be transferred to the one medium to the other medium, that is called as of what? The waves. Here some of the examples we were seeing. Here the sound waves and water waves, and that one is the light wave. See, here we have to be seeing the direction of the wave propagation, how the wave will be transfers or moves. This is the way we have to be seeing the propagation or a direction of a propagation of a wave. Here we have to be see we call this is the along the x-axis, and there is the wave direction will be shown, and here there is we have to be taken the displacement, how much of the distance that will be travels or a moves, or it may be disturbance. Here we called there is a that is the maximum height of a curve or the wave which will be reaches the peak, the maximum peak of a curve or a wave, that is called as an amplitude. And there is here we called as the crest, and here we called as the trough, or one crest to crest we called as a wavelength, and trough to trough we called as a the distance between the crest to crest and distance between the trough to trough is called as of what? The wave length lambda. This is what we have to be know the how the direction of a wave can be propagated. Here we see the next the types or a classification of a waves. What is that? Types or a classification of. In this there is a 4 types of a waves or a 4 classification of a wave can be seen. That is, one is the mechanical waves, and second one is the electromagnetic waves, and third one is the transverse waves, and last the longitudinal waves. In this we have to be first discussed on about the mechanical waves. What is now mechanical wave? Which means of what? A mechanical wave that is an oscillation or oscillation of a matter which will transverse through of water, which will transverse through a medium, therefore that is there is a mechanical process will be taken place. Those waves are called as of what? A mechanical waves. A wave which needs or which will be oscillating through a medium, that is called as of what? Mechanical waves. Or we seen the wave which will travels when molecules will be colliding to each other, colliding to of water each other, and passes the energy. Water passes the energy, that is called as of water mechanical waves. In this mechanical waves, there need a some of a medium like air, water, solid, etc. They can't passes through the or travels through the vacuum. Those mechanical waves are of water that can't travel through a vacuum. They need the medium to help it travels. Those such a type of waves are called as of water mechanical waves. Now we shall move on to the electromagnetic waves. These waves are travels through a vacuum. What? They are travel through a vacuum. In the last we seen the mechanical waves. Those are they can't travel through the vacuum, but here the electromagnetic waves are such that can be travels through the vacuum. There is no need to a mediums. There is no need to of any mediums which can travels. Here the electrical and magnetic fields are both are generated by charged particles which can be traveled here. Water, they can be traveled through of water electrical field they can be traveled in of water electrical field as well as in of water magnetic field. Both the field can be used in the or that can be the way which will be travel in both the magnetic field and the electric field. These are called as of water electromagnetic waves. The electromagnetic waves are the waves which can be travel through the vacuum. Also there will be travels in the magnetic field and as well as in the electric field. Now we move on to the third type of waves or third classification of waves, that is the transverse waves. In this waves, what happens? The transverse waves are the waves where the disturbance moves perpendicular to the of water, perpendicular to the direction of an waves, perpendicular to of water direction of an waves. Such we see here. Here there is a wave that can be travels or moves here, right? For this what happens? There is a perpendicular disturbance will be occurs. Here there is a disturbance will be occurring in this direction. This means of what? The perpendicular disturbance will be occurring in the wave propagation. That such a type of waves are called as of what? Transverse waves. Now at last the fourth type, the longitudinal waves. In that last what we have said, the transverse waves which are there is a disturbance will be occurring perpendicular to the direction of a propagation of a wave. But in this longitudinal waves, what happens? The longitudinal waves where the disturbance will be moves of what? In the same direction, where how the wave will be propagated in the same way, there is a disturbance will be occurring in the same way. Both are in a same direction. Those such a type of waves are called as of what? Longitudinal waves. From this we have to be seen of what? There is four types of waves. First one is the mechanical wave, and then electromagnetic wave, then transverse wave, and that last one is the longitudinal wave.